Okay, so here's a quick instructional video on how to use the Nutrichef Slim Type Induction Cooker. Start off with, you've got your timer button, your function button, just your temp up and down buttons, lock your settings and unlock them, and then this right here is your power on or off switch. Once you plug it in, you'll see the dotting red lines right here. This is just letting you know it's getting ready. For you to do anything, you first have to turn the power on, like so. Indicate right here. Now you can choose your settings. So just for this purposes though, right here, for this, I'm just going to show that it works pretty much with any pot, pan, doesn't matter what, as long as you're covering this surface right here. And it has to be magnetic. As long as your pot pan is magnetic, this will work. Lay it down over the area and I hit function. Almost instantly this is heating up. Feel the heat. We'll start to warp this because it's a cheap pan. As you see, you got the 1500. This is the wattage. Most people don't cook by that. So hit function again and you'll see the degrees in Fahrenheit. The low end is around 140. And as you can see, it goes up to 460. You can also set a timer. There's no errors or anything like that. When you want it to stop, press the off button. Do not touch the pan right away. It's still going to be insanely hot. That's all there is to it.